Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.3% against the yen. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 1.7% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair plummeted 1.7% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold futures climbed, shaking off pressure from strength in the US dollar and Treasury yields to stretch their gains into a third consecutive session and mark their highest finish in almost 3 weeks. The euro weakened after European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde tried to rein in interest rate hike expectations that lifted the currency to a 3-week high last week. The U.S. Justice Department has announced its largest ever financial seizure, more than $3.5 billion, and the arrests of a couple accused of conspiring to launder billions in crypto stolen.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1200 GMT. The U.S. EIA crude oil stocks change at 1530 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0700 GMT. Germany's current account will be released at 0700 GMT. Japan's machine tool orders at 0600 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.